Hello everyone, how are you doing? This is MD Tech here with another quick tutorial. In today's tutorial, I'm going to show you guys how to decrease or increase the space between bullet points and text in Google Docs. So this should hopefully be a pretty straightforward process here, guys. And without further ado, let's go ahead and jump right into it. So all you have to do is just highlight over wherever your bullet point section is, and then up in your ruler up here in the top, you can see the little downward facing triangle. When you hover over it, it would say left or right indent, depending on which way you have your page formatted. You would drag the first line indent bar up at the top and drag it to left or right, depending if you want to make the spacing bigger or smaller. And then you would drag this left indent triangle we just were talking about. You can make it further over on the page to the left or right. And again, you would use the rectangular bar, this is first line indent, in order to actually adjust the spacing between the text and the bullet point. So pretty straightforward process, guys. Do a positive to help you out, and I do look forward to catching you all in the next tutorial. Goodbye.